is a process whereby certain organisms with different characteristics, or phenotypes, are more or less suited to an environment than other organisms in their habitats, resulting in the organisms surviving and reproducing. For example, when antibiotics are used on cultures of bacterium, certain bacterium will be resistant as a result of their phenotype. Because of this, they will survive and reproduce, which will lead to the whole population being resistant to the antibiotics. This is Darwin's famous phrase goes, survival of the fittest.
Selection can be split into two types, directional and stabilising. First, we must understand how species are distributed. Here's a normal distribution curve, with the number of individuals on the y-axis and the phenotype on the x-axis. As we can see, the majority of individuals have normal characteristics, shown by the peak of the curve. However, some individuals will have extreme characteristics, and will be found to one or other side of the curve. Stabilising selection is what happens in unchanging conditions. Individuals with normal characteristics are favoured on average, with the extreme individuals being at a disadvantage in the, on average, mild conditions. I've come here to the Amazon rainforest, home to many birds. An example of stabilising selection is the number of eggs that birds lay. If they lay too few eggs, then there is a good chance that predators will eat all of them, and the birds will be unable to pass on their genes. Whereas, if a bird lays too many eggs, then there is a good chance that the mother will not be able to find enough food for them all. Directional selection occurs in more extreme conditions. Some of the individuals of a species with more extreme phenotypes are better suited when an environment changes. This means they are more likely to survive, reproduce, and therefore pass their genes onto the next generation. This also means that normal phenotypes as a species will change, and there will be a new distribution of genes, leading to an evolution of a species. To further explain this, let's think of the peppered moths during the Industrial Revolution. Before the revolution, white moths could camouflage well in the white background of London, with a less common black moth phenotype. After pollution occurred, the dark-coloured moths suddenly had the advantage of being easily camouflaged. Therefore, directional selection occurred and the distribution shifted towards the black phenotype.